Welcome! It's time for Odd Animal Out. We'll show you a group of animals, but one doesn't belong. Can you spot the odd one before the timer runs out? Get ready to test your brain, challenge your friends, and let's see how many you can get right. Let the game begin.
The first question, which snake is the odd one in this photo? Is it the eastern brown snake, western brown snake, mainland tiger snake, small-eyed snake, red-bellied black snake, or the black mamba? You only have 10 seconds, and the time starts now. The answer is black mamba. Other snakes in the photo are native to or found in the wild in Australia, except for the black mamba snakes, which are indigenous to sub-Saharan Africa. However, all the snakes in the picture are very venomous.
Can you guess the odd animal in this photo? We have grizzly bear, gray wolf, leopard, elk, fox, raccoon, and bighorn sheep. Which is the odd one out? And remember, you have 10 seconds, which starts now. The answer is leopard. All other animals in the photo except for leopard are native to or found in North America. Leopards are found across sub-Saharan Africa, parts of North Africa, the Middle East, India, and Southeast Asia, including Russia. Can you guess the odd one among these spiders? Let me give you a hint. 5 of these spiders are found in a particular place or region except for one. So, which spider am I talking about? We have the redback spider, whitetail spider, brown house spider, black house spider, huntsman spider, and the solifugae spider. Remember, you have 10 seconds. The answer is solifugae spider. The other 5 spiders, except solifugae, are found in Australia. The solifugae spiders are primarily found in arid, desert, and semi-desert regions across Africa, Asia, the Americas, and the parts of Europe. They thrive in warm, dry climates, and they're not venomous or dangerous to humans. Can you guess which animal is the odd one here? We have tiger, lion, cheetah, leopard, caracal, and hyena. 5 of these animals are found in a particular region or continent except for one. So, which animal is that? The answer is tiger. Other animals except for tiger are found or native to Africa or the African savanna forest. There is no tiger in Africa, rather tigers are found in parts of Asia, including India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, Myanmar, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, and Russia. One distinctive feature of tiger is that they are skilled swimmers and can adapt to forests, grasslands, and wetlands. Here's another one. Can you guess the odd one in this photo? It's quite simple if you're conversant with animals and their regions. So, we have the walrus, sea otter, Galapagos penguin, red handfish, galgeon, and leafy sea dragon. 5 of these animals can be found or native to a certain region, except for one animal. Now the question is, which animal is that? You have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. The answer is Galjoen. Other animals in the picture are native or found in North America, except for the galgeon, which is native to South Africa and Southern Africa, and it is South Africa national fish. Scientifically known as Dichistius capensis, it inhabits rocky shorelines, kelp forests, and turbulent surf zones. Galgeon feed mainly on red bait, small crustaceans, and marine algae, using strong jaws adapted for scraping food from rocks. They are recognized by their deep, rounded bodies and vertical dark bands. Usually growing between 35 and 55 centimeters, galgeon are prized by recreational anglers for their strength and resilience. Next we have our animals that can be used as a pet, except for one animal. This is a lot easier, and you should definitely guess this one correct. So, the options we have include a dog, civet, cat, rabbit, guinea pig, and ferret. Which is the odd one here? And your 10 seconds starts now. The answer is civet. Civet are cat-like nocturnal mammals from Africa and Asia, known for musk production and omnivorous diets. They inhabit forests, savannas, and plantations, eating fruit, insects, and small animals. Civets occur in countries including Nigeria, Kenya, India, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, China, and the Philippines, adapting well to human-altered environments worldwide today. In this picture, 5 of these animals are native to a certain region, or probably a country, except for one animal. So, which animal is the odd one in this picture? Is it the eastern gold monkey, dugong, binturong, Himalayan red panda, Tibetan macaque, or the Topi antelope? If you're conversant with animals, this should be an easy one for you. The time starts now. The answer is Topi antelope. Hope you got this correct. Other animals other than taupe antelope are found or native to Asia, especially China. On the other hand, Topi antelope are native to or found in these African countries, like the Eastern and Central Africa, including Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, South Sudan, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Zambia, and Botswana. The taupe is a fast, social antelope recognized for its reddish-brown coat, dark facial markings, and lyre-shaped horns. It inhabits open grasslands and savannas, often gathering in large herds. This is another easy one to guess. 5 animals in the same category with an odd one among them. So which animal is the odd one in this photo? We have otter, kangaroo, antelope, bison, cow, termite. You have 10 seconds to get the correct answer, and the time starts now. The answer is otter. These animals, except for otter, are herbivorous. On the other hand, otter are carnivorous in nature, as they eat fish, crustaceans, and small animals, often using tools to crack shells. Otter are playful, intelligent, semi-aquatic mammals from the weasel family. They have dense, waterproof fur, webbed feet, and streamlined bodies for swimming. They live in rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastal waters across many regions worldwide. Native or commonly found in Canada, United States, Brazil, United Kingdom, Norway, India, China, Japan, Indonesia, South Africa, Australia. How much do you know about monkeys? In this image, 5 of these monkeys are exclusive to Asia except for one monkey which can be found in Africa and also in Europe. Now the question is, which monkey am I talking about? Is it the leaf monkeys, silvered langur, Fair's langur, pileated gibbon, proboscis monkey, or Barbary macaque? You have 10 seconds, which starts now. The answer is Barbary macaque. Other monkeys except for Barbary macaque are exclusive to Asia. The Barbary macaque is a tailless monkey known for its thick golden brown fur, social behavior, and intelligence. It lives in mountain forests and rocky habitats, often in large groups. Barbary macaques are native to North Africa, like Morocco and Algeria, and are also found in Gibraltar, where they are Europe's only wild monkey population. That's all I have for now. So tell me, how many did you get? The questions are quite easy, and you should probably get 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.